Everything that we do is untraceable. Thinking gangster, that nigga's erasable.
Day 2 of rebuilding these wheels. And I got backup this time. Boom. No more this fucking wrench. This shit. I was using this little shit to take out every single bolt. Trying to get it before HD, because about to be lit. We're about to be outside. Now, time to take the face off. I unbolted everything. Fuck, I forgot my song. Hold on. Hey, yo, did I just flash you guys? What the fuck? You want to put some shit that's like soft on the ground so you won't scratch up your face. All you want to do is kick that shit. Damn. Fuck, I'm scared. Fuck, I'm scared. Oh my god. Never mind. I got it. I took off every face of every wheel, as you can see. And tomorrow, I'm gonna be cleaning day. Cleaning and polish. Make sure everything looks good. It looks immaculate. 11 at night, and I'm still working on it. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I got tires. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Day 3 of cleaning, rebuilding these 3-piece wheels. Right now, I'm gonna clean them with the product I got, and I'm gonna polish it. I got this Black Magic Chrome wheel cleaner. Hopefully it works. I never tried it. This is actually working, bro. Black Magic, you did your thing, bro. 8:34. God damn. So I was cleaning the other wheel that I had to change the lip from, the old silicone, so it could seal nice and tight, no leaks, no nothing. I don't want none of that shit. Little dinner break. I'm starving. Time to polish these for real. First I'm gonna start with 1K, then 2K, then 3K. Hey, Ma! No plug is loose. And then I'm gonna go final with the polish. Day 4, we're back here again, and this is how I came up. Look at that shine, bro. Look at that mirror. Fuck the mirror. I'm about to come down here and brush my teeth and get ready every time down here. Fuck. On day 4, I also forgot to tell you guys, I added way more camber to this shit. Okay, so let me explain to you guys. I couldn't record it because I was on my work and I didn't want to put anybody on camera just in case they don't want to just be on it, or you know, I just wanted to respect everybody's privacy and stuff. So I didn't record, but I did record a few clips on my phone. So
thinking gangster, that nigga's erasable. This bitch listen to too much Beyonce. She really thinks she irreplaceable. She tries this and they sit in some.
now, look at this shit, bro. Look at it. Let me show you guys more up close. Bro, it was before -3 in the rears. Then I maxed it out to -5 in the rears. This is maxed stock, like the most you could do. And then the front, originally it was 1.5 degrees, -1.5, and then I maxed it out to 3 because that's the most it could go. So I was like, all right, we could just do that. Fuck it, guys. It finally came. Don't mind me, I'm without a shirt because it's too hot. Okay then. Okay, yeah. Now let's see the fitment on this shit. Oh, wait. Oh yeah. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Perfect fit. I'm not gonna lie. Perfect. Make sure you use thread locks. You don't want it to be opening while, like, you don't want it to be leaking air while you're driving because all the vibration and shit. So make sure you fucking put thread lock tight. I mean Loctite on that shit. So you grab one, right? You grab one a nut. You grab the Loctite. You open that bitch, right? Shit. Then you just pour a small amount on the end of it. Then you just put it in, just like that. Alright guys, so I taped this off, everything on the edges, so I won't get anything on the side, and I just peel it right off. I went to Home Depot and I got GE 5000 silicone. I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't find it at first. Like, I was like, what the fuck? Because it didn't say it. Like, it doesn't say GE 5000. And I searched online and they were talking about this one, so I was like, alright. So make sure you guys get the clear one and not the white one, because the white one has like coloring to it, so it's not really gonna stick. But the clear one is the way to go, and you're gonna need this shit too, a caulking gun. Luckily my dad already has one, W-Dad. So I finished siliconing the whole thing. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared at first because I don't know what the fuck I was doing. I was just passing my finger through it and I thought I seen bubbles, so I added another layer, second layer all around, and now it looks better. I'm not gonna lie, it looks better. So I'm gonna wait 24 hours to peel the tape, because if you don't, it might come off with like the actual bead, like with the silicone that's on the bead. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait 24 hours, peel off the tape, and then mount the tires. And then we're outside, bro. We're fucking outside, my God.
Everything that we do is untraceable. Thinking gangster, that nigga's erasable. This bitch listen to too much Beyonce. She really thinks she a replacement.